video is good through Sunday, August 6, 2010. Welcome to this installment of the Weekend Edition. We have a lot to go over today, so hold on to your hats. Listen, this was Friday's close, and the numbers are still slightly moving at this moment. But we had a huge down day today. At one point, the Dow was down like 150 points, and then we come rallying back by days in. The last couple hours of the day on Friday proved to be quite bullish. Rallying back up, but the market still closed bearish ever so slightly, with the VIX dropping down almost 2%, putting us down below 22. Check this out. Daily, we remain in this rising wedge, and we remain with a bearish divergence. And at this point, we had on Friday come crashing down through some major support areas. And we come down. And what I noticed was when we started dropping down here, I wanted to drop a shadow line. These are trend lines based right on the shadows. So I went to this shadow line up to this shadow, and I made the line orange, and look where we went to. So you have your kind of your primary trend lines from bodies to bodies, then your secondaries from shadows to shadows. You can see that that acted as perfect support. And when I saw that support bounce, I unloaded a lot of my hedges that I had going. And then as we pierce some of these major areas of resistance, I unloaded more and more hedges. However, at this moment, I do have some hedge, but I'm more net to the bull side than the bear side at this moment. And here are the things that we're looking at. We're looking at this base. This is a high base formation finding resistance at the 100-day moving average. What we're looking for is a breakout. I want to see a breakout above 1135, 1140 now. We need to break out above that, or we need to break down and close. And here's the secret here, gang. We need to close below 11.8. Let's see here. That would put us 11.10. If we get down below 11.10 and we close below 11.10, then we're in big time trouble. Look for shorts. If we get above 11.40, look for longs at that moment. So as long as we remain in this stuff, just take a break on your trading on the weekend editions. I love to look at higher time frames, so we're going to pull in right now the weekly. In the weekly, we had this downtrend, and then we busted through it. And if you look very closely, we're finding resistance at the 20-week moving average. We went up. You can maybe count this on one, but definitely 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 or 5 bars weeks going up. So this is due for some sort of drop, and relatively soon. You can see down here on the MACD that we're right here around this zero line on the histogram, so it just would not surprise me to see a drop. You can see this 1122, that's going to be an area of resistance, and sure enough, it actually has perfect resistance closing out the week. And I also want to take a look at the monthly. Here's the monthly. The monthly is a little more choppy. We down, we pop up, then we drop, and then we're starting to rally back north. Now, as far as the monthly is concerned, gang, monthly looks more bullish than anything. I mean, we could develop a nice leg heading northbound right here, but we have the weekly to deal with. The weekly's going to have to maintain its strength for the monthly to keep rallying north. I mean, we got some grim numbers on Friday on the employment reports. And so let's just see how these markets play themselves out. But watch for this 1143 area. It's going to be a major area of resistance. So that would be something to watch out for. And while we're here, let's go to the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ, I'm going to drop a couple lines here. We're at a major support area. So that's something I want to point out. Support. And at this moment, we have what's called an ascending triangle. And that ascending triangle comes across right here. flat top, rising lowers, lower swings, giving you a ascending top. So I'm looking here for a breakout over 2310. I want to close over 2310 to be bullish, but if we close down below 2250, gang, we're in a lot of trouble. So be careful with that information. And then on the weekly, let's bring this over. And on the weekly, we drop a little pop here. We dojied out on the weekly, finding resistance at the 20-day moving average, or 20-week moving average, I'm sorry. So this looks like it's ready to drop right now. It needs to base sideways on the weekly for it to build some strength or maintain its upward movement. And here's the monthly on the NAS. We went up and then pulled back, and we get this big engulfing pattern. Here we're making equal highs. I don't like that. For the month, I want to see August get up over this high that we had received in July, and that high was 2307. We need to get over 2307. So there you have it. You get the very best here at Free Trading Videos. And listen, Tuesday night, mark your calendars. We want to mentor you. You need mentoring. Let us tell you and show you what it is that we have to offer. Looking forward to Tuesday evening. Just go to meetthementors.com. Fill in the information. We'll send you a free and private invite to this exclusive meeting on Tuesday night. Take care. Safe trading.